Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. A quick update here on what we got going on in the market after that phenomenal, fabulous, glowing, all predicted by Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing crash. We got a little consolidation now, so we're going to show you what to look forward to in Bitcoin, and the rest of these coins at varying rates of pumpiness will be in the same sort of a pattern. And what you're going to do now is you got a bearish consolidation. It's actually more of a symmetrical triangle, right? So we'll fix that. It's actually more like this, but this is only in a 3-minute time frame. So I mean, that is what it is. But here's what you're looking at on a breakdown. You're looking at something like this, from the top of the pole to the bottom of the flag. If fucking TradingView will let me take this out of here. Fuck, they make it so difficult. To the point of a breakout, usually it's somewhere about right there, and that would get you down close to where I think we're going, right? I think you got to get down to 38,000, but there's two ways to get down there. Way one is to break out of this, come down to our target, trade up around a little bit, and then come crash down. That's way one to get down there. Way two is you break and pump up and get all these new jabronis in on the big hook nose Jew bearish reversal pattern, you know, with the big hook nose, and then you crash down and have a quick fall down. Because I think you got to come down to this $38,000, because you're in this, as we zoom out, you know, you're in this falling channel, right? A big falling channel. You got your upper resistance up there. You got your lower support down here. And we zoom out to right there in the 3-hour time frame, and you can see we've had multiple hits. Hit one, upper resistance. Lower support, a whole conglomerate. Hit two, upper resistance. Lower support, two. Confirms the pattern. We got multiple hits on the upper resistance, and we got multiple hits on the lower support. And now I think we're coming back down, and we got to hit another lower support. And then you can try to bounce and make a substantial run back up into here somewhere towards next week as another upper resistance point. But first, we have to touch this bottom, and I think we do have to come back down to that 38,669 level and see if you can hold that, because we see below that we got that purple zone, and we know that purple zone is a major support box, right? And if you break that, you're going to crash down to this green support box. See what I'm saying? And we can put another box in here. This is you're going to be your major upper resistance box, which is right above where you're at now, right? And you just got rejected out of it as you tried to fight your claw and scratch your way back in there, but you got beat down, right? Like a used fucking hooker. Bam! You know, have a sense of humor in this group. I don't want to hear your nonsense about hookers have feelings. We all have feelings, but we're allowed to joke, right? So we're going to make that yellow, right? The major upper resistance is yellow, so it's yellow. So that's what you got going on in the Bitcoin. We'll keep an eye out on that. And that's going to be true for all of these coins. We'll go to some of these lesser coins that we didn't talk about this morning. The COTI, the one the subscriber wanted yesterday. I believe Vincenzo said we were going to come down to this underneath support on your major underneath support at 33 cents. And so far, since that video came out, the price has fallen about 20%. So I think that looks good. I think we got to come retest at 33 cents. The OMG, another phenomenal new coin that they brought in. We've been telling you major support possible buy zone at $7.91. If you could hold that level, the $10.96 and 69 and change we said was going to get rejected at major upper support in this rising broadening wedge, and that was your major upper resistance. This is your major lower support that we said there's a possible buy opportunity, major upper resistance. And now you're collapsing back down. It's another phenomenal call by Vincenzo. The key that I said was the key to the shithouse. Since this coin was brought to old Vincenzo's attention, the coins continued to fall down. And we said the 0.01169 would be a much better opportunity to buy than way up in there. And we said it's got to go down here first, right? Because this looks like a head and shoulders. You got a slanted neckline, a left shoulder, a huge head, a right shoulder, right? And then the breakdown would bring you right there. And then you could play that up in the here. So another phenomenal call by Vincenzo. Peace and love. Peace and love.